Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Thank you for tuning in. Today, even though it's raining, we are going to plant snake plants. So I have here propagated from water snake plants, Myolin. I'm going to transplant it and also the other one. So stay tuned guys, and let's continue to plant and enjoy while planting. Place it there or plant it there so that it will grow offsets, because it only grows roots while in water. So I want to have it with its offset so that I can replant it. So this one is Sanseveria Myolin. So I have the other one guys. I will plant it again or propagate it first in water. I think I planted this one September and it has several offsets. So I want to transfer it to a container so that I can display it inside the house as indoor plant. Slowly remove it from the container. Oh, amazing roots. So it's easy to propagate snake plants using only the stem. So there. So I have in one stem, I was able to propagate, or it has four offsets lang pala. Four offsets. 5 offsets in one stem cutting. So I don't know if I can still propagate this. I will try. I will just return it there. Return it there and let it grow in there, if it will grow. So with this kind of container and also with this length of plant, it is sold at 1,000 plus in the mall. So expensive. So you can only plant your own rather than buying expensive one. So it's very easy. The only problem is time. If you want to really plant it using leaves pala, not stem, leaves of the snake plants. So you really need to wait for 3 to 6 months before it will be like this. Kasi this one I planted September, October, November, December, January, March. 7 months already. But it has multiple upsets, so it's good. So it is so inspiring when you have leaves grown and gives offset. So inspiring, because you need time. The time there is the essence. It's very hard to wait to have this kind of snake plant. So for another leaves to grow, you need another 3 months to 6 months so that it will grow more beautiful. So for the meantime, we will grow it like this. Another one. Although it has multiple roots, or it has many roots, but the problem is it has only few leaves. Only two. Only 2 leaves for this snake plant. The rain stops already, so we can hear each other now. because the rain stops. That's the second one. The third one is so cute. Just leave it like that. Let the roots grow. And the last one. It has 3 leaves. This is now the Sanseveria myolin that I propagated. This is the mother plant. That is the mother plant there. Oh. So beautiful mother plant of the Sanseveria myolin. These are now the Sanseveria Robusta. Cute, very cute. I propagated 1 to 5, I think 5, yeah. 5 Sanseveria Robusta. And that is the leaves or leaf that I used. I replanted it. Maybe it will grow another offset. So, Sanseveria Robusta. And what I'm going to do now, that are my Sanseveria collection. So, there's so many of it. Actually, I placed it inside the house before, but I transferred it here. So, it's good for indoor plants actually. This one is dwarf if you are going to place it in a small container, but if you are going to place it or plant it in the ground, it will grow bigger. The Robusta Sanseveria. I will please. This one is Sanseveria Cylindrica. So before I will finalize this one, I will cut some of the leaves. Trim some of the leaves. Yan. Okay. Like that. Still. Yes, sir. This is my Sanseveria cylindrica. It's so beautiful. What I like with the leaves is that it will just grow straight up and in cylinder shape. It will not grow bigger. So even if you are going to place it in a small container, it is still beautiful in a small container. Here, because it is grown for years already, so it has grown taller. This is Sanseveria Cylindrica. That is now my newly planted Sanseveria Cylindrica. So it's so beautiful, guys. I just placed the 2 pots in one plastic container. So it will grow more leaves in the future. So again, this is my Robusta. So cute and beautiful. Actually, I got the mother plant, the leaves from the neighbor's ano plant. So they trimmed it. So I got one leaf and it's now propagated like this. So there are 5 offsets in one single leaf. That is the mother plant, one leaf. So I planted it again, hoping it will still grow some offsets. And that are the other 2 Myolin Sanseveria. So the color is white and light green. I planted it because it was attacked before by aphids, but it recovered now and it is already beautiful. The leaves are so beautiful. Myolin Sanseveria. So this one, I will take this one. Oh, I will have this one planted. The yellow Sanseveria. That is another one, another Sanseveria. That is a dwarf Sanseveria. Sanseveria golden honey. This one is a big one, big Sanseveria, giant leaves. So there are so many varieties of Sanseveria, guys. I have only few here. What I like are the dwarf type because I have less space. So I want dwarf type like that, Robusta. This one used to be dwarf before, but it grows taller now through the years. So thank you for tuning in, guys. If you are new to my channel, please like or consider subscribing by liking, adding your comments, clicking the subscribe button, and hit the notification button so that you will be updated in my upcoming videos. Thanks again, guys. Happy planting. God bless.